Where's the candy at, girl?
Put it in the bag. Thanks, girl.
Lady. Man, you see that old lady?
I know, that was awesome.
I love trick-or-treating.
I know, it's freaking fun. What about this house?
Let's go for it.
Well, must be trick-or-treaters. What in the devil?
Trick-or-freaking-treat.
I ain't giving no candy to no young adults.
Let's do this!
Shut up, little man!
I'm a veteran. I won't be treated like this. Better watch your back. I'll have you for this, young one. I'm gonna get you for this.
Be quiet!
Dude,
You don't know who you're dealing with her.
Be quiet, old man!
What are you doing?
Be quiet!
Don't take that.
freaking
What are you
loaded.
doing?
Think about how much freaking candy we can buy with
take my
those.
car.
Quiet,
Don't be looking at that. That's personal property.
old
Dude,
man!
what kind of old man are
I've
you?
had it with this crime in this neighborhood. I don't care how far you go. I'll find it for him.
Pedro, we're ready.
I'll hunt you down.
Whoa,
Find it.
come
You
on.
better leave.
What about this kid? Hey, what's up, little boy? You want to trade anything for some candy?
Danger, danger!
Why does that always happen?
I don't know.
A&T Productions.